Hey, what's going on? Jared Larkin here, Mile High Title Guy. Today I want to talk to you about Instagram marketing for your real estate business. I am currently working with realtor partners and I am showing them how they can actually automate out their prospecting and the ability to stay top of mind on Instagram, literally just on autopilot. They can do this by engaging, following, liking, doing basically anything they want on Instagram on autopilot. And what it's doing is it's actually resulting in opportunities for them for new business as well as just staying top of mind for repeat or referral business. So with that said, I actually want to share a quick example just recently actually from a realtor partner of mine. She actually had an actual lead reach out to her, just an organic lead reached out to her because she has been working through this system and actually automating out her Instagram to grow it for her business, where this lead actually was asking her for help with buying a house because she's moving to Denver. So I want to tell you this, if you have not thought about using Instagram to help grow your sphere, to help also just create new referral opportunities, I highly recommend taking advantage of it. If you have questions on this, if you have questions on Instagram marketing or anything else that I've ever covered with you on this blog, by all means, feel free to reach out. And I'm not just talking about Instagram. This video, yes, but there are also other ways to automate out Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, right? The list goes on. So if you have any questions, if you want to learn more about this, reach out to me, Jared Larkin, 303-630-9430, or info@milehighhtitleguy.com. All right, till next time, see ya.